Hello everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel, New Religion Institute, that is dedicated for your personal and your business growth based on religious values. In this video, I will explain a very important concept for our business growth, which is the API. And I will do this through this quote. It is said, the writer Venkatesh Rao says, you can either live above the API or below the API. So we have like a standard, which is the API. We live either above it or below it. First of all, what is the API? So the APIs, it's an abbreviation of application programming interface. So application protocol interface or programming interface. This is not the programming that relates a computer with a person, with a user. It's rather a programming that relates software with a software. It's like the components of two softwares that are communicating with each other. Have the Weather Bureau's software that has all the data about the weather. And your phone, in it, you have the weather app. So the weather app in your phone is connected with another software, another programming, which is the software of the Weather Bureau's system. And data flow from this system to your app so that you view the weather, like the weather of each day. And this is an example, but you know, we have four types of APIs, public, private, partner, and the later one is the composite type of API. And API can be traditional. You know, there is no connection between the softwares. It's based on request response model, or it can be in real time, like the chats, online chats or livestock codes apps. So this is the API. It's very important to know this concept related to computer science, of course. And let's turn back to our quote now. Why Rao said that you can either live above the API or below the API. So the API is very important. Why? Because your lifestyle, your level of life is determined by your relationship to the API. You know, for example, if you are a user of Uber or you drive Uber, you'll of course you'll use the app Uber, but you'll be below the API. Why? Because anyone else can drive an Uber or can use the app. You are a user of the app. You don't have really an exceptional talent. Now, how can you live above the API? It's when you build an Uber app, for example. So it's very much different. Two different standard of life or lifestyle or vision of life, you know, two different visions. So to be an Uber creator, an app creator, enables you to show to the world a very unique talent, you know. That's why you'll be rewarded. You'll be rewarded by a lifestyle that is above the API. I hope, I'm sure it was useful. This concept is very important nowadays. Thank you so much and see you soon.